So, what's up guys? The King of Games is back for another new and awesome opening of YuGiOh TCG. Happy Wednesday! Dahil dyan, magbubukas tayo nitong Battles of Legends Armageddon Booster Box. I'm super duper excited to open this set dahil 5 foil cards siya per packs. And this set contains 24 booster packs, which means ang dami nating makukuhang foil cards for today's video. We have a chance to pull the Chaos Emperor Dragon, Utopia in Astral Language, and most importantly, we have a chance to pull this 10,000 Dragon. Super duper awesome, right? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this today new opening. And para naman sa mga bago nating subscribers and viewers, don't forget to headbang the like button, uppercut the subscribe button, and elbow the notification bell for more YuGiOh TCG opening. Okay guys, don't waste any more time and let's do it. Eto na guys, Battles of Legends Armageddon Booster Box. So first time ko magbukas nito mga ka-DKG, and thank you so much sa lahat ng bumibili sa ating cards, lalong-lalo na yung mga viewers natin dito sa ating YouTube channel. Really appreciated mga ka-DKG. Thank you so much. But then, shoutout sa lahat ng fans ng YuGiOh TCG, lalo na yung mga Pinoy fans natin dyan. Shoutout sa inyo. And kay Yami Yoshi. Para naman sa lahat ng gustong magpa-shoutout, don't forget to leave a comment guys. Thank you so much. So sige, buksan na natin to mga ka-DKG. Let's crack these things up. Can we pull the Chaos Emperor Dragon? Can we pull the 10,000 Dragon? Excited na talaga akong buksan siya mga ka-DKG. So sana pala rin tayo makakuha nun. So para sa akin mga ka-DKG, please bless this box baby! Oh baby! My goodness, ito na. 24 packs and 5 foil cards per pack. Ano unahin natin dito? Left or right? Shuffle natin. Shuffle muna natin. Excited na ako. Please, help me to find those 3 legend cards, mga ka-DKG. So, sige. Buksan natin to. First pack, mga ka-DKG. First pack, guys, ha. Pagkakalam ko nasa una yung secret rare. So, para intense. We got Elemental Hero Chaos Neos, Psychic Wave, Appliancer Celtopus, Mecha Phantom Beast O Lion, and Fossil Dragon Skullgeos. So, that's pretty much it from the first pack. O, tama nga tayo. Nasa unang cards yung secret player niya. Here we go for the second pack mga ka-DKG. We got Invoke Raging, Assault Blackwing Sohaya the Rainstorm, Junk Anchor, Secure Guard na, and Glacial Beast Iceberg Narwhal. What's this card? Here we go for the third pack guys. Kayo mga ka-DKG, napagbukas na rin ba kayo nito? Ah, bango. Uy, mali. Sorry. Number C9 to Heart Earth Chaos Dragon, Malefic Paradigm Dragon, number 1 Numeron Gate Eka, and Ra's Disciple. Oh, may isa pa pala. Flower Guardian Cherry Blossom. So that's pretty much it from the third pack. Excited na talaga akong buksan to. Tagal na nito sa bahay namin mga ka-DKG. And ngayon lang tayo napagbukas ulit. Appliancer Reuse, Appliancer Laundry Dragon. Wow, cute ng pangalan. Appliancer Baculefant, Junk Anchor, and Danger Jackalope. Parang Danger Chupacabra lang nung nakaraan sa Sacred Beast Structure deck, guys. We have Appliancer Socket Roll, Super All-In, Topologic Zero Boros, Goyo Guardian, and Numeron Calling. Isa ba to sa mga gagandang set dito? Numeron Calling. Not sure, not sure. Having a long video, guys. Dahil sa dami ng packs na bubuksan natin ngayon. 24 packs, bubuksan natin to lahat. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist, Lion Emperor, Psychic Wave, Rust Disciple again, Appliancer, Dryer Drake, and Numeron Network. Ito ata yun. No? Ito ba yun? Hindi ko sure eh. So ipunin lang natin yung mga secret rare dyan. Here we go for the next pack. We have Necros of Gungnir, another Assault Blackwing Sohaya the Rainstorm, Salamangreat Sunlight Wolf, Kalantosa Mystical Beast of the Forest, and Elemental Hero Escuridao. Elemental Hero, one of the best archetype, mga ka-DKG. Elemental Hero. Back in the days, Dark Magician and Elemental Heroes yung ginagamit nating deck. Appliancer, Copy Vocal. Mga pangalan dito. We got Black Whirlwind, Book of Moon, staple cards, Secure Guard na, and Artifact Ignition. Here we go for the next pack. Can we pull? Please, isa lang doon mga ka-DKG, masaya na ako. Salamangreat Gazelle, Appliancer Kappa Scale, Penguin Torpedo, Huakimeru Drago, and Madolce Angeli. Lagi na lang may Madolce tayo nakukuha sa set, ha? Pati dun sa Ghost from the Past. Don't forget to watch mga ka-DKG. Ito, Ghost from the Past opening. Salamangreat Gazelle, Elemental Hero Neos Alius, Afterglow, Boost Warrior, and Powered Crawler. Last two packs for the right side mga ka-DKG. We got Intruder Alarm Yellow Alert, Formood Skipper, number 4 Numeron Gate, what's that? Catbar, Galaxy Worm, and number C1 Numeron Chaos Gate Sanya. Last pack for the right side mga ka-DKG. May isa kaya dito? Hinahanap nating cards. Please bless this pack, baby! Kaiba! Appliancer, what? Auto-pass tayo dyan. Obedience Schooled, Invoke Kaliga, Numeron Wall, and uy! Judgment, the Dragon of Heaven. Oh my goodness. Isa to dun sa need din nating cards. Ito siya, oh. Ayan. Siya yan. Okay, 1 out of 3. Can we pull this too, mga ka-DKG? Nice pack. Nice pack for that last pack, ha? Ito na tayo sa left side, guys. Can we pull the Chaos Emperor Dragon? Can we pull the 10,000 Dragon? Steam Synchron Invoke Elysium. Number S39 Utopia the Lightning. So puro ultra rare siya, laman niya guys. And 1 secret rare. 1 secret rare and 4 ultra rare siya mga ka-DKG. Afterglow and Armored White Bear. Armored White Bear. Taba. Cute ng belly niya, ang taba. Here we go for the next one. Dragon Buster Destruction Sword. What's this? Ano to mga ka-DKG? Valorfran Mystical Beast of the Forest? What? Appliancer Celtofus. Fireflint Lady and High Rate Draw. So that's pretty much it for that pack. Let's move on to the next pack. Yes, isa lang oh. Isa lang dun sa tatlo oh. Please! Please naman! YuGiOh! Number 3, Kikada King. Goyo Defender. Appliancer Breaker Bunkle. Cross Ship and YuGiOh! Fossil Dragon Skullgar. Another Fossils card, mga ka-DKG. Napakabango talaga pag galing sa pack, mga ka-DKG. Grabe yung amoy. Appliancer Reuse. Formad Skipper. Flower Guardian Cherry Blossom. Uy! Elemental Hero Shining Player Wingman. And Dark Spell Regeneration. Let's move on to another pack. Ano kaya next natin bubuksan, mga ka-DKG? Lightning Overdrive, Genesis Impact, Phantom Rage. Ano kaya dun sa tatlo? Appliancer Electrical World. Elemental Hero Chaos Neos. Formad Skipper. Number 2, Numeron Gate. What's that? Ano yun? DVE? What? And Fossil Warrior Skull King. Another Fossil cards. Ilan na lang? 7 packs, I think. Mga ka-DKG. We have last 7 packs for the left side. Number 3, Numeron Gate Trini. Malefic Paradigm Dragon. Blackwing Chris the Crack of Dawn. Appliancer Tess and Time Stream. Wow, another Dino card. Another Fossil card. Dynasty. Battles of Legends Armageddon. Red Ice, ito? Red Ice ata ito. Red Ice Player. Hindi siya Red Ice Player. Kalimutan ko yung name niya. Can we pull that card? Appliancer Laundry Dragon. Appliancer Kappa Scale. Number 4, Numeron Gate Catvari. Invoke Purgatrio and Number FO Utopic Future Slash. Wow. Look at. Grabe yung ano nito. Oh. Wow. Ganda. Ganda niya. Please, kay sa Emperor Dragon, nagpakita ka naman. Oh. My goodness. Can we pull that card? Isa lang dun mga ka-DKG. Please help me. Give it to me, Kaiba! Brotherhood of the Fire Beast Lion Emperor. Number 1, Numeron Gate Ekam. Nga pala, nakapag-stream na ulit si Simply Unlucky, isa sa mga idol ko yan. Appliancer Dryer Drake. Another Elemental Hero Shining Player Wingman. And Number C92 Heart Art Chaos Dragon. Ano lang? 4 packs, guys. 4 packs na lang. Please, pakita naman kayo dito oh, sa video, please oh. We got Obedience, Schooled, Appliancer, Copy Buckle, Invoke Kaliga, Salamangreat, Sunlight Wolf, and another Numeron Calling. Last 3 packs mga ka-DKG. Last 3 packs. My goodness. Please look man. We got number 3 Numeron Gate Trini, Dragon Buster Destruction Sword. Ang cute niya oh. Si Buster Blader na dragon. Kalantosa Mystical Beast of the Forest, Numeron Wall, and Armored Whitebear. Pangalawang beses na natin siya nakukuha, si Armored Whitebear. Ay nako guys. Second to the last pack ha. Intruder Alarm Yellow Alert, another Elemental Hero Neos Alius, Kayo Guardian, another Book of Moon, and Weathering Soldier. Oh my goodness. Last pack. Last pack na mga ka-DKG. Last pack Magic Baby. Last pack Magic Baby! Nagalit yung aso mga ka-DKG ah. Here we go. For the last pack, we have number 3, Kikadaki, Black Whirlwind, Topologic Zero Boros, Kuwakimeru Dragon, and give it to me! Hindi niya binigay! Chimera Tech Mega Fleet Dragon. So that's pretty much it from the 24 booster packs mga ka-DKG. Ang dami nating nakuwang cards oh. Puro foil siya. Guys, ayan oh. Puro foil siya. And dito naman yung secret rare. Puro foil siya. Ganda na. Nice one. So thank you so much sa panonood sa ating video mga ka-DKG. Always remember, DKG saluting you guys. Thank you so much.